and you're watching another episode of Artist Life. Today, I'd like to show you an easy way of drawing a nose. So, if you're ready, let's start. Alright guys, so I am ready to show you how to draw a nose. The purpose of this video is how to simplify when you start drawing so that at the end it'll be really easy for you to come back and do a lot of refinement. So what I like to do is I like to always start with shapes. So here is one big shape and then this is a flow, okay? So now within these shapes you have smaller ones, which is the top and then the side. I am showing you how to draw a plane. So this is a plane right there, okay? And then this portion is the nostril, which comes down, and here is the bottom of the nose, okay? So which this part curves, goes like that. And if you want to draw another plane, you can. You can always come back and start refining the nose. But again, I don't want to get caught up with the refinement portion of it. I am just showing you how to quickly start with number one, a big shape, put a flow, and then think of planes. Planes are your key ingredient. So planes are where you start visualizing a 3D form, okay? So that's really important as well. You need to start doing that. All right, guys, so this is a nose. Hope that was helpful. And you had fun drawing this, okay? All right. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this episode of Artist Life. I hope you had fun and learned something. So until next time, happy drawing. Bye.